Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make this envelope gift card holder. It's so cute, but I needed 2 birthday cards in a quick pinch. So I whipped out my brand new designer paper. Let me show you this designer paper. It's coming in the brand new mini catalog starting January 3rd. And it's called Birthday Bonanza. Isn't it cute? So festive, and these cute little animals here. We got a toucan, a koala bear, and then also a little lion right here. How cute. So this is one side, and these are 12 by 12 pieces of paper, and then you got the other side, which is also so cute and festive. All right, so we're also using the coordinating stamp set. Let me show you that. This is the Bonanza Buddies. We're using the happy birthday, and then I'm also stamping the I'm glad it's your birthday so I can tell you how wonderful you are. I just love that. All right, so we're using both of those images on this cute little gift card holder. So let me show you how it works. So this is the front, and then you open it, and then you have a little pocket here for some money or a gift card or maybe even a little piece of candy. It's so cute and so easy to make. You can make a bunch of these in just a matter of minutes. Okay, so then I made this one for Christmas. This is using the Christmas Time is Here suite. And remember, this bundle, you can purchase it all in one, like a buy it all button. Just buy everything in the suite, or you can buy it individually. So you can buy the stamp set, the designer paper, and then I used the gold glitter enamel dots on this one. Look at this, it's so pretty. And then I also used the brand new, this is the shimmer ribbon, the gold in this suite as well, along with the designer paper, the Christmas Time is Here specialty designer paper. So hopefully this is still available, but I went ahead and made this one for Christmas. And you can make these for any season, any occasion, all right? So for Valentine's Day, birthday, of course, Christmas. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here are the pieces that you're gonna use. I'm using the Whisper White envelopes from Stampin' Up, and there's 40 in a pack, and they're also available in the vanilla. So this piece is cut at 2.5 by 4. And then I'm using a piece of Bermuda Bay to kind of bring in that color from the balloons. This piece is cut at 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. Okay. And then I'm also going to use a piece of scrap. And then I did do some punching ahead of time. So this is that Bermuda Bay piece, the 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. So what I did is I went ahead and cut out the circle. So I'm going to replace this piece here with this. What I did is I punched that out with, I believe this was the 1 5/8 circle from the layering circle dies. And then I'm going to go ahead and stamp the greeting, which let's go ahead and do that right now. So I got a piece of scrap Whisper White and the Memento ink. We're going to stamp the happy birthday. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and punch that out with the 1 1/2 inch circle punch. Okay, we're going to stamp the inside of our little envelope here too. So I'm going to keep that ink out for a minute, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere these 2 pieces together. Pop this up on dimensionals. Okay. And then we might as well go ahead and adhere these 2 pieces together. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our envelope gift card holder. So remember, this is the medium size envelopes in the Whisper White. So we're just going to go ahead and fold this in half. Get my bone folder. Okay, so we're going to grab our scissors. I love using a long base of the scissors for this type of cutting, because I can just cut in one swipe on that folded line right there. Then I'm going to have my gift card holder open up like this. So I want the gift card or the money holder to be on this side. So I'm going to remove this panel over here. Just like that. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and seal this up and lock that side down. So then this is going to create your little pocket. Then you can also punch a little circle, like the 1/2 inch or the 1 1/2 inch circle. You could slide that in, but you want to do that before you seal it down. Okay, so I reopened it. I'm going to go ahead and punch this 1 1/2 inch circle on this side where the money will be. I'm just going to punch a little finger hole right here. Just like that. Okay, so then this is where the pocket will go for the money. And then I'm just going to take my snail and I'm going to seal this down. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we're going to take our greeting. This is, I'm grateful it's your birthday so I can tell you how wonderful you are. I'm going to ink this up and I'm going to stamp it over here where the money pocket is, or the gift card. So cute. And then let's grab a gift card before we seal it all up. I have my McDonald's gift card here. Just put that right into the pocket. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and put our designer paper on, but first we're going to go ahead and cut a piece of ribbon. This is the Bermuda Bay in the 1/4" striped ribbon. This is also available in the Gorgeous Grape. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put some adhesive along the front side of my gift card holder. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the holder with this ribbon, kind of making it even on the ends. Okay. And put our little layer over top of that. You'd never know that that was an envelope. I mean, seriously, it's so cute. And we're just going to go ahead and tie this over here onto the right-hand side. Okay, so we're going to take our happy birthday. Just going to put that right here. That looks really cute. So I don't want to cover up the little bird. Okay, so that's it. Isn't that adorable? And then also you could sign on the one side of the little holder, or you can sign on the back side. Either way, you can leave a little message on that as well. So let me bring in the other ones. So now this piece is the opposite side of, I believe, the koala bear. So it's also in the Bermuda Bay. Isn't that cute? So I have a lot of birthdays coming up, so these would be really cute. So you can put like a Dairy Queen gift card in there, some cash, whatever you want. And then also here's the Christmas version. All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.